Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen and you are at Beekeeping While Black. Today we're going to do a simple recipe, a cranberry honey spritzer. This is a mocktail that only has 5 ingredients. It's super quick to make, perfect for the holidays in a few days, whether it be Christmas or New Year's. Let's start. So for the ingredients, we have cranberry juice, ginger ale, honey, cranberries, and sparkling cider. So for right here, I did some sparkling cider already in the jar. Right now I'm pouring ginger ale into it. It's about 2 cups right there, and that is a full bottle of sparkling cider that's actually in the jar already. Now I'm just pouring in some cranberry juice. I didn't do anything fancy with it. You can really use whatever brand you want. You can do sweetened or unsweetened. I chose to use sweetened just because this is really where I want the flavor and sugar to come from and shine through in the recipe. Now I'm just doing some honey. Honey is always the star in the recipes for here. I only did 2 tablespoons. Some recipes will suggest around 1/4 cup. However, that is a lot of sugar, especially for a recipe that already has cranberry juice. So I really think just 2 tablespoons is enough to just add some extra sweetness. And also, as you can kind of see, the honey does sink towards the bottom of the jar instantly just because of the density of it. And so I highly suggest that you just stir it. And so I use my smoothie mixer just to be able to really get it up there and to have it properly mixed. Okay, and the last thing that I'm adding to the ingredients is just simply cranberries. Of course, when it sits over for a long time, it adds more flavor, but then also it just makes it pretty and so festive for the time of the year. Oops. So again, I'm just mixing, making sure that the cranberries get under there, trying to also just make sure that the honey is not at the bottom of the jar. And there you have it, the simple and easy recipe, perfect for the holidays.